So this is also a rocket company, and they have this very interesting part. It actually looks like foam, but it's very solid. And then they have this very well um, furnished part. It just looks very good. And this is, I think, just some FDM printing for some models. And look at that. It looks like it's an entire jet engine. And this is probably solid, the nozzle or something. It kind of look like the ones on Boeing 707. And those are all those parts. It looks like a shoe. Wow. And then here, look at those. It's burning for rocket engines, and this is the blades, the fan in front of those jet engines. Look at the holes inside. It's very small and very even. It says it's something for like injecting oil, I think. I'm not sure if I'm translating it correctly though.